Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be installing this wig that you see on my pretty little head. Yes, we call her PurpDa Savage, and the reason why we call her PurpDa Savage is a little short story that I'm gonna give you. Well, my first year in college, cause Broncos. In my first year of college, I came to school with purple hair, and then everybody was like, "Oh, the girl with purple hair, I like your hair, I like your hair, I like your hair. Oh, I'm gonna call you Perp. I'm gonna call you Perp." You know, some know, but some wasn't there to see it. Okay, so that's why they call me Perp, and that's why I call this wig PurpDa Savage, because also I'm a savage. Okay, and let's talk about my wig. Well, my wig, I blended it with two colors by the Adore collection. I use Violet Gem and I use African Violets. And with those, I created this beautiful color. You have a hint of pink, which is the Violet Gem. And then you have that beautiful purple, which is the African Violet. And I love it so much. I get so many compliments on it, and it's just amazing. And like I said, I colored this myself. I would like to also add, for disclaimer, I am not licensed professionally yet, but I will be. Trust and believe. But I, over the years, have been mastering and perfecting my craft by coloring my own hair and a few others, and also by the knowledge and education of my mother, who is a licensed cosmetologist. So, you know, I got a little help from different sources, and you know, I'm also growing and getting better every time I do a different head. Even my own hair, I surprise myself every time I do a color, and I love it. So let's continue watching. Let's get into this install. Before I install, I normally oil my scalp and massage it in, because I don't know when I will be touching my natural hair again once I put the wig on. And the first thing I do to lay my edges is I use Got To Be Glued styling gel. Now I'm putting on my wig cap to protect my edges and my hair, and then I use Got To Be Glued to seal it down so it won't go anywhere. And to be sure it is secured and glued down, I take my blow dryer on cool temp and I just go across the front of my head and the sides of my ears. Then I will go across my wig cap with facial powder that is closest to my skin tone to have that bald head effect. I normally do this in the beginning when I put on the wig cap, but then I will poke a hole and put my ears through the wig cap, so you know, I can cover up, you know, the sideburns, the mini sideburns I have, you know. And then I cut out the excess wig cap. As you see, some parts did lift, so I take my Got To Be Glued and I secure those parts, glue them down, make sure they are good to go so I can put my wig on. I would like to tell y'all right now, as I start doing my edges, I cannot master edges, so I did the best I could with how I do my own natural baby hair edges, so please don't criticize. I have seen that some girls use edge control. You can use many things, but I use argan oil mousse because one, it's lighter and I have more control. Actually, I like using the mousse instead of the edge control, and I actually started using the mousse on my natural hair, so I really like the mousse, and I recommend mousse instead of edge control. I'm about to put y'all on to what I was thumping to. Rod Wave, Dark Clouds. Tap in, because that man is legit. After I apply my concealer to my part to make it look more natural, I then apply some more of the face powder to make it look also natural, like it's coming out my scalp, because with that closure, you can tell, you can see the closure sometimes, so I try to hide that with the makeup.